Hi. In this lesson, we will learn how to create a dynamic depend drop-down list in Google Sheet. What we mean, we will have 4 drop-down lists, each for a car make, then another drop-down list which updated the content according to the car make. So if I choose BMW, the new drop-down list will have this list, and so on. To start, I will go to a new sheet. We can do in the same sheet, but just for explanation, we will go to a new sheet. Let's say we will have the 2 drop-down lists here. The first drop-down list is simple. From data validation, we will allow a list from a range, and this list will contain the car make. If I intend to add more car make, I can select blank cell. So I can select as many blank cells as I need, because Google Sheet automatically will remove the blank cells. So now I have list for Kia, Cadillac, BMW, and Volkswagen. Now I need, if I select BMW, this list will display only the car make BMW. To do so, I have to create name range for each model. So I select this list. If I intend to add more car model, I have to select blank cells also. So let's say we will go from this cell number 6 to cell number 20. So I have some blank cells. Then I right click, define name range. This name must equal this cell. So I have to be sure what I write here is exactly the same text here. So BMW. I will do the same with the other list. So now I have 4 drop-down lists. Each list has exactly the same name as here. If you know how to use indirect in Excel, we usually type indirect inside the data validation, but in Google Sheet we cannot do so. So in any blank cell in this sheet or in the main sheet, if I intend to add more data to the right, so it's better to use a blank column to the left, I'm going to indirect, and indirect convert the content of a cell to a name range. So if I indirect what is written here, it means I tell Google Sheet to take the text, the content, which is BMW, compare it to the name range, and fetch what is in the name range. So if I select BMW, this list is BMW. So now I'm going to select this range to be the source of the model. So data validation, the car model is a list. This list is, as we said, Google will automatically omit or remove the blank cell. So now, as long as I have BMW, this list is BMW. If I go to Cadillac, this list is a Cadillac. So, and because we have a blank cell, if I add Toyota, for example, let's say we add Camry, Corolla, Yaris. If I select Toyota, I will end with an error now. Toyota will come here, but I will end with an error, as I need to convert this range also to a defined name range. This name range must be Toyota. So now I have Camry, Corolla, Yaris. That's it. Bye.